English alphabet. Write and learn A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for car. C for car. D for drum. D for drum. E for egg. E for egg. F for flowers. G for grapefruit. G for grapefruit. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nurse. N for nurse. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for coin. Q for coin. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Z for zebra.